channel Chemistry in 5 minutes. In my last class, I discussed about mole. What is mole? Now I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, now let's see some simple numericals related to the moles. Okay, how can we solve those numericals? Okay, let's see. Suppose we need to find the number of atoms. Number of atoms in suppose 4 gram of hydrogen. Okay, how many atoms are present in 4 gram of atom? Okay, let us check. What is the molecular weight? Last day we discussed the molecular weight of hydrogen is equal to 2 gram, because the molecular atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. There are 2 atoms in 1 molecule of hydrogen, so therefore the molecular weight of hydrogen is equal to 2 grams. Okay, now as we know that 2, it will be 2 AMU and 1 gram mole of hydrogen means 2 gram hydrogen. Okay, the unit of molecular weight, or atomic weight is atomic mass unit, AMU, or simply U. Okay, now 1 gram mole of hydrogen means 2. So according to Avogadro's law, there will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen present in 2 gram of H2 gas. Okay, very simple. There is 1 mole of hydrogen molecules in 2 gram of hydrogen gas. Okay, so how many molecules are there? There are Avogadro's numbers of, okay, by the way, Avogadro's number is denoted by N superscript A. Okay, now how many atoms are there? Okay, there will since in each molecule there are 2 atoms. In each molecule there are 2 atoms. Therefore, 1 molecule means 2 atoms. 1 molecule of hydrogen means 2 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, so 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Since the number is very big, so we can write simply Na. Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? Now, two gram of hydrogen means 1 mole of hydrogen. In 2 gram of hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen molecules are present. Okay, 1 mole of hydrogen molecule means it is equal to Na, Avogadro's numbers of molecules of hydrogen. In 2 gram of hydrogen, there are Na molecules of hydrogen. Therefore, so what was our question? In 4 gram of hydrogen, how many hydrogen molecules are present? Okay, so in 4 gram of H2, there will be 2 into Na molecules. Is it clear? If in 2 gram Na molecules are there, it means if we double it in 4 gram, simply by unitary method also you can get the same thing. Okay, so in 4 gram of hydrogen, there will be 2 into Na. Okay, so this many molecules. Now in each molecule there are 2 atoms. So 2 into 2 into Na atoms. Okay, now if we multiply this, 4 into Na means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this many atoms are present. Okay, now it was very simple. Okay, just to understand, we have done it. Now let's see little more bigger or lengthy or little more confusing sums. I hope this part is clear. If you don't understand, if you want to ask any question, then simply in the comment section you can mention it, or in our website there is a Google form. You can simply click the Google form and you can put your query there. Okay, thank you. Okay, now see, let us take another example. Suppose H2SO4. Okay, now if it is asked that, suppose calculate the number of, suppose anything, oxygen atoms. Okay, any either of these three. Calculate the number of oxygen atoms in, suppose, 49 gram of H2SO4. Okay, how we will calculate? Okay, first step is we have to find out the molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Okay, molecular weight of H2SO4 is equal to, last day we discussed molecular weight means it is the summation of all the atomic weights present in the molecules. Okay, so there are two hydrogen atoms, so 2 into 1, and 1 is the atomic weight of hydrogen. 2 hydrogen atoms means 2 into 1, plus sulfur. What is the atomic weight of sulfur? 32, plus oxygen. What is the atomic weight of oxygen? 16 into, there are 4 atoms, so 4. Okay, so 2 plus 32 plus 64. Okay, so if we add this, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. So 98 AMU is the molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Okay, now see, if 98 is the atomic weight of sulfuric acid, it means 98 gram of H2SO4 is equal to Na molecules, means Avogadro's numbers of molecules of H2SO4. Okay, clear? Now 98 gram of H2SO4 means this much molecules. So therefore our question is 49 gram. So by applying unitary method, okay, I'm just skipping one step. Directly I'm writing the final line. 49 gram of H2SO4 is equal to Na by 2. Means it's supposed to be Na multiplied by 49 divided by 98. So 49 and 98 will cancel each other, leaving 2 here in the denominator, molecules of H2SO4. Fine. Now in one molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? In one molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? So one molecule of H2SO4 contains 4 O atoms, oxygen atoms. Okay, simply then in this much molecules, how many oxygen atoms will be present? There will be, so Na by 2 molecules of H2SO4 contains 4 into Na by 2 O oxygen atoms. Okay, now simply by putting the value of Na, we can get the result. 6.02322 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Okay, if you do the calculation, you will get the answer. 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 1.2044 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, so this way we can calculate the number of atoms or number of molecules present in a certain mass of any substance. Okay, now let us move to our next topic, that is percentage composition. What is the percentage composition? Okay, let us take the same compound as an example, sulfuric acid. Okay, now percentage composition. Okay, sulfuric acid. Now, if it is asked that what is the percentage composition of sulfur in sulfuric acid, then how we will calculate? Okay, percentage composition is equal to the mass of an element, divided by mass of the molecule into 100. This is the formula of percentage composition. So in one molecule of sulfuric acid, one sulfur atom is present. Okay, therefore percentage composition of sulfur in H2SO4 is equal to 32 divided by the mass of the molecule. Just now we calculated the mass of the molecule is 98 into 100%. If you do the calculation, you will get the value. Same way, percentage composition of, suppose, oxygen in H2SO4, it will be equal to, oxygen is 4 oxygen atoms are there, and the mass of each oxygen atom is, atomic mass of each oxygen atom is 16. So 4 into 16 is the total mass, divided by 98 is the mass of the molecule, into 100%. Okay, now same way, if we do the calculation, then we will get the answer. Okay, same way, hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are there, 2 into 1 divided by 98 into 100, that is the answer. Okay, so thank you everyone. Today up to this, I request everyone, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.